Hey guys, Mikey back here with Motors Northwest. Today we're going to be showing you how to jump your vehicle if your battery dies. So in this scenario, we're going to be using the Nissan Leaf as the good car with a good charged battery, and our Volkswagen Jetta here is going to be the dead car with a dead battery. First things first, when you approach the car, you want to make sure you have both hoods popped, right? You want to make sure you're taking a look at the battery with your cables. So every battery is going to have a plus and a minus, positive and negative. And you have to line up the right one with the right color of the right cable in order to get a positive and good charge. So I'll show you what I mean. So right here we have our red, which is our positive. It means the plus, right? And we have our negative right here, and you can see right here is the little negative. Now, if we come and look at the Jetta, there's other types of colors to look for. This color is a black cable. You can barely see the red, but it is in fact the positive. So make sure you're double checking the battery terminal to make sure, and this is the negative, so you know exactly where you're plugging up. So you go ahead and take your cables, get them properly separated. I always like to start with putting my negative terminal on first. So you'll go ahead, you'll put this one, which is the negative as well. You'll put this on the negative, which is going to be right here. We'll go ahead and we'll connect our other. Leave this hanging on the floor. Don't let it touch any metal. In place. Make sure both your negatives are secured in place so they don't fall apart when you're putting the other ones on. Now you go ahead and run your positive the same way. And once you plug this up, both batteries will be connected and they will start charging each other essentially. So once you have both your connections secured, you're going to go ahead and you'll have both vehicles started. We'll start with our positive battery that is working, so we'll get this car running. So you can see that this vehicle's running, the power is good, the battery's all plugged up. This is currently charging the dead battery, so you just give it a couple minutes, a little bit of time, then you can go ahead and start this car whenever you're ready, and it should start right up. Starts right up, and that's how you jump a car.